Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today, we are showcasing 12 creative outdoor privacy screen ideas with DIY vertical planters to help you transform your backyard into a beautiful, secluded oasis. We will explore how you can easily combine functional screening structures with lush, vibrant greenery using simple DIY methods. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our weekly gardening guides. A modern wooden slat screen provides a clean, contemporary look while maintaining excellent backyard privacy. By attaching small metal hooks, you can easily hang a variety of traditional terracotta pots filled with fresh kitchen herbs. This smart setup not only smells amazing, but also adds a highly functional layer of edible greenery to your patio. It serves as a perfect weekend project for tight outdoor spaces near your back door or outdoor dining area. Giving old wooden pallets a second life is an eco-friendly way to build a rustic outdoor partition wall. You can secure heavy-duty landscape fabric inside the open slats to create deep, stable pockets for potting soil. Planting colorful annuals or cascading vines will quickly cover the raw wood with vibrant, living textures. This budget-friendly screening solution creates an instant wall of flowers that beautifully blocks any unwanted outside views. A freestanding wooden trellis offers incredible placement flexibility since it can stand anywhere in your garden landscape. Attaching flexible canvas or felt pocket planters allows you to cultivate a dense, vertical tapestry of lush green ferns. As these plants grow and spread, they form a living wall that naturally filters harsh sunlight and soft breezes. It provides an elegant, organic boundary that feels completely alive and dynamically changes throughout the passing seasons. Natural bamboo panels bring a serene tropical aesthetic that instantly softens the hard lines of your property. Sturdy wire ties can be used to mount exotic orchids or lightweight air plants directly onto the thick bamboo stalks. This vertical structure creates a dense visual barrier while still allowing soft, filtered sunlight to dance through the gaps. It is an excellent choice for creating a hidden Zen garden or a peaceful outdoor reading nook. For a sleek, modern, or industrial look, try using heavy-duty wire mesh panels secured inside a dark metal frame. You can clip contemporary galvanized steel planters onto the wire grid rows to hold tall ornamental grasses. The sharp contrast between the rigid metal grid and the soft, flowing grass creates a beautiful visual dynamic. This highly durable privacy screen requires very little maintenance and easily withstands harsh weather conditions year-round. Classic garden lattice panels remain a timeless and dependable choice for creating immediate backyard boundaries. By integrating deep wooden planter boxes at the base, you give climbing ivy an ideal place to establish strong roots. Within a couple of growing seasons, the lush green tendrils will weave through the grid to form a solid curtain. This traditional screening approach blends seamlessly into almost any style of established residential landscape design. Building a wooden privacy screen with a distinct chevron pattern adds an artistic, architectural element to your yard. Shallow wooden shadow boxes can be flush-mounted onto the planks to host an extensive collection of colorful succulents. The sharp geometric lines of the timber beautifully complement the organic rosette shapes of the various plant varieties. This eye-catching feature works wonderfully as both a protective privacy shield and a standalone piece of outdoor art. Woven willow hurdles offer a beautiful organic texture that feels completely native and natural in a garden setting. Slender woven branches make it simple to attach small woven baskets that act as natural vertical plant holders. Filled with wild strawberries or trailing blue lobelia, these pockets introduce delightful, unexpected pops of bright color. This traditional rustic craft technique brings authentic old-world charms straight to your modern outdoor living space. Louvered wooden privacy screens allow you to adjust the angles of the slats for customizable shade and visibility. Mounting long, horizontal planter troughs across the top tier lets cascading ferns drape elegantly down the structure. The downward growth creates a soft, feathery green veil that enhances the crisp architectural lines of the louvers. This sophisticated enclosure design is absolutely perfect for surrounding outdoor hot tubs or cozy backyard patio areas. Combining corrugated metal sheets with a warm cedar frame delivers a striking, high-contrast rustic modern aesthetic. By attaching horizontal iron rod rails across the metal face, you can hang brightly painted ceramic pots at various heights. The shiny metal surface effectively reflects natural light into shaded corners while blocking outside views entirely. It provides an excellent weather-resistant backdrop that highlights the bright colors of flowering geraniums or petunias. Large PVC drainage pipes can be cut, painted, and mounted horizontally to form an inexpensive vertical privacy wall. Cutting wide planting slots along the top of the pipes allows ample space for leafy greens to thrive successfully. When stacked vertically together, these pipes create a lightweight barrier that maximizes your available vertical growing area. It represents a highly efficient option for urban gardeners looking to build a fast, productive vegetable shield. A modern black horizontal slat screen introduces a bold, dramatic statement piece to your contemporary outdoor landscape. Long, minimalist steel planter troughs finished in matching black can be mounted securely to hold upright architectural plants. The stark, dark backdrop makes the bright green foliage of snake plants pop with incredible visual intensity. This sleek designer partition provides absolute privacy while maintaining a sophisticated, high-end look for your home patio. Laser-cut metal panels featuring intricate geometric patterns offer a luxurious way to secure your outdoor patio space. Pairing these artistic metal screens with a custom-built wooden planting box at the base ensures excellent structural stability. Fast-growing ornamental grasses or slender bamboo varieties planted inside will grow upward to frame the gorgeous metalwork. It creates an enchanting play of light and shadow that looks truly magical when illuminated by garden spotlights. Hanging a series of vintage glassless window frames together creates a whimsical, storybook privacy boundary for your lawn. You can wrap sturdy copper wire around the necks of glass mason jars to hang them within the frame openings. Planting delicate trailing ivy or small seasonal flowers inside the jars adds a touch of living magic to the wood. We hope you enjoyed these unique ideas, so please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more inspirations.